time to chord on guitar. MYA, CALI, DANDEE, with a song called Legendaria. So we are here in the Spanish field again. I don't speak that language, but I recognize all you Spanish subscribers, so I give this one for you. We have a chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song. It's a pretty long one, but very easy anyway. One single string pattern works, so that's great. So let's take a look at this one. No need for any escape on this one, so let's fly right into the chord world here. So we'll start with the F. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the first fret, all right, over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. So that's the F. You have A minor next. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. D minor, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And then we have C as the final chord, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so before we look at the chord progression, we will learn the strumming pattern, and it's very common with this kind of music. So grab the F, that's the first chord, and one strumming round will be down, up, clap, down. So down and a short pause, so, and then up, clap, down. Couple rounds of it, sounds like this. Alright, so the chord progression now, you will play one strumming round per chord. So nothing changes there, just one per chord. And it goes like this: F, A minor, G, D minor. And then the second round or second half will be almost the same. It will be F. The only difference is now when you play C. So you play C instead of A minor, and everything else is the same. So it ends with G and D minor. So if we repeat that: F, A minor, G, D minor, F, C, G, and D minor. One string around per chord goes like this. And there you have the song Legendaria. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.